Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how I make pie crust. Alright, so we are starting off with 2 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour. And to that we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix very well. You want to place that in your food processor very carefully if you can. And to that, we will add 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening that has been chilled. Right now, I am just cutting it into little pieces. And I'm also going to cut in little pieces of 2/3 cup of vegan butter that also has been chilled. All right, so now we are just going to pulse everything together until it looks like crummy. Just like that, perfect. Now to that we will add 4 tablespoons of ice cold water. Now you will pulse and combine everything. Just like that. And now you want to place that down on your plastic wrap. So the mixture should feel like wet sand, so you should be able to mold it pretty easily. All right, now you want to just roll it out to get all of the dough together just a little bit more. And now we will chill for 1 hour in the refrigerator. All right, so it's been chilling. Now what I'm doing is just shaping it into like a disc. And now we will carefully remove the plastic wrap off of the dough. So I am actually going to use the plastic wrap to roll my dough on. You can also use the countertop or a wet towel, it's really up to you. All right, so we are going to place some flour on the plastic wrap, the rolling pin, and my hands. And then we will roll out this dough very carefully in one direction. So the dough started to break on me, but I was not going to start all over again. So I just took that piece and just gently patted it back into the dough, just like that. All right, so you definitely want to take your time doing this because we are trying to get this crust to about 9 inches. Try to shape it into a circle and just smooth it out. All right, see, I could have given up right there, but keep on going. Just mash everything back in there. I promise you'll be fine. All right, so just smooth it out just like that. Take your time and just mash everything back in there together. And we're gonna smooth it out just a little bit more so we can get that nice even layer and get it to about 9 inches. Alright, so you want to take your pie dish and then just place it on top of your dough. And what I did is cut around it. You definitely don't have to, but I just didn't want that excess. Alright, so you want to carefully remove your dish and carefully pick up your crust, and this is what it looks like. So I am just flipping it on top so we can get the dough into the dish. Okay, be very, very careful. If it starts to break, just kind of push down on it so it can fit into the dish. All right, gently, gently. Make sure it's down there flat. Now we will freeze this for about 15 minutes in the freezer. Once you remove it, that's when we will take our parchment paper and ball it up. And now we are going to blind bake this. So you want to place your parchment paper and beans, dried beans, for about 30 minutes in the oven, just like that. And the last 15 minutes, that's when you are going to remove the paper and the beans. And this is what it should look like. You can use this for pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, it's up to you. Thanks so much for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.